In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Robux gift card. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. You can do this on a mobile device or on a desktop. And all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and then just type in Roblox redeem just like so. Then go ahead and just enter it in. From here, you want to go ahead and select on the official Roblox.com website. Make sure that this is the website you use because I know there's a lot of scams out there. So please be safe and be protected. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to the top left and select over here where it does say redeem card. Then it is going to take you to a page that does look like this. Now, you may need to go ahead and sign in if you never used Roblox before on a web browser. So make sure to go ahead and sign into your Roblox account, which should be relatively simple. Then in this box, you want to go ahead and enter in your Robux gift card code. Now, if you did buy a physical gift card, then the code will actually be on the back of the card and you may need to scratch it off. But the point is, you want to go ahead and paste in the code over here, then go ahead and press on redeem. And within a couple minutes, your Roblox balance should increase. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.